plan is worth, since we're told now it's not even a master plan. It's nothing. Nothing that's on here that's been posted and advertised is what we thought it was 3 weeks ago. We have, everyone agrees, a unique, beautiful park. No one I have talked to has said we shouldn't have an accessible playground or an accessible rose garden, or the whole park should be accessible. That is the law, that is our right. There are people of every kind, every color, everywhere in the park now. It is our park. It is not the West End Park. And I want to specifically call Councilman Gurity's attention to that, because I have been going up to people in the park and saying, would you sign this? And they say, we want the park to stay pretty much like it is. New restrooms, new bathrooms, new whatever needs reconstruction to fit the model that we heard earlier about the fish ponds were designed so as to be in keeping with the design that was available 30 or 40 years ago. We want that character to retain its character. And I think we need a city that is accountable to us, the voters.